Hello friends, this is Umesh Mari. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to use a symbol dollar in Excel calculation. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such a useful videos for you. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest update from our channel. Thank you. So guys, in this session we will learn what is the use of symbol dollar in a Excel calculation. So guys, you may have seen too many times while performing an engineering calculation, there is a use of symbol dollar. So in this session, we will learn what is the use of symbol dollar. So guys, on the screen you can see I have performed some calculations here. So this calculation is simply I have added 25 with 50 and the addition of 25 plus 50 will be 75. But why I did that calculations 3 times in a 3 different cells. So let's see what is the use of symbol dollar here. Now here my formula is B3 plus C3. I'm just copying that cell and pasting that cell here. So now here my answer is 0. So what happens in this case is my formula is changed. Previously it is B3 plus C3 and in this cell it is B7 plus C7. So it is taking value from B7 and C7 cell. Now I'm just copying that cell to this position. Now what happens? In this case my value is not changed. What I did here is I just log that row number. So as I log that row number, that my formula remains same. So B dollar plus B dollar 3 plus C dollar 3. Now I'm just copying the same cell here. Now what happens? My value got changed. So in this case what happens? I have want log my column number. So in place of my column number B it is E and in place of column number C it is F. Again we will check. I'm just copying this cell from here to here. Okay, I'm just copying it from here to here. So in this case value has not changed anyways. So what I did in this case, I just put the dollar symbol before column also and row also. So it is taking that exact row and exact column number for calculations. So what happens in this case, my value is not getting changed no matter where I am going to place it. Because the formula here I used is I have placed the dollar symbol before row also and before column also. So here you can see the formula is dollar $B and dollar $C dollar $3 plus dollar $C dollar $3. So guys, this is what the use of symbol dollar in an Excel calculation. So guys, very much thank you for watching this video. So guys, if you like our videos, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.